How to use YouTube custom brand account setup. First, you want to simply open the YouTube application and you need to sign in to your YouTube with your Google account. After that, you want to simply open your profile over here and tap on your profile, and you want to simply tap on this settings option over here. Inside your settings, you'd be able to see an option called create a new channel. If you don't already have a channel, you can simply tap on that create a new channel and you'd be able to see dashboards which will look something like this. There you'd be able to enter your brand account name, you'd be able to select your photos, your handle and your descriptions as well. Completed the setup process, you want to simply save those options over here, and once you have done so, you'd be able to create your brand account on YouTube and you'd be able to customize the new channel on YouTube Studio app as well. Once you open the YouTube Studio, you want to simply log in with that account. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.